Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get the official version of Capcut Pro completely free. No mods, no cracked apps, and no subscription. This is the real deal. I'll walk you step by step through the process so you can unlock all the pro features without spending a single dollar. Let's get started. First, download the official version of Capcut, not a cracked mod. Open Capcut and click on Settings in the top right corner. Click on Save To and set a folder. I'm creating a new one named Capcut, then click Save. After that, click on Modify, go to Aspect Ratio, select the ratio you want, and save it. Now import all your media. Make sure you import everything at once because adding media later will not work. Add some pro effects. I'm adding a few just to show you, but you can add anything you like. Next, select all the clips by right-clicking and dragging or simply press Ctrl-A. Then, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. After that, right-click again and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now don't export or do anything else, just wait for the process to finish. It will show something like Applying Feature. Let it run. Once it's done, go to the folder you set earlier in Capcut. Open the most recent date folder, then go to Resources folder, Combination folder, and here you'll find your video. That's the whole process of using Capcut Pro for free. A few things to keep in mind. Import all your media at once. If you try to import after applying the feature, it won't work. If you want to add more clips, undo the setting, add your media, and then reapply the feature. Don't export the video, just compound the clips and pre-process them. And finally, if you don't subscribe, you might miss out on more helpful videos like this. So go ahead, click subscribe, and give this video a like.